Babrak Karmal was an Afghan revolutionary and politician who was installed as leader of Afghanistan by the Soviet Union when they intervened in 1979, serving in the post of General Secretary of the People's Democratic Party of Afghanistan for 7 years. Born in Kabul province into a Tajikized Pashtun family of Kashmiri origin, Karmal attended Kabul University and developed openly leftist views there, having been introduced to Marxism by Mir Akbar Khyber during his imprisonment for activities deemed too radical by the government. He became a founding member of the People's Democratic Party of Afghanistan and eventually became the leader of the Parcham faction when the PDPA split in 1967, with their ideological nemesis being the Khalq faction. Karmal was elected to the lower house after the 1965 parliamentary election, serving in parliament until losing his seat in the 1969 parliamentary election. Under Karmal's leadership, the Parchamite PDPA participated in Muhammad Daoud Khan's rise to power in 1973 and his subsequent regime. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.